It's right on the corner here, y'all. It's got like one of them corner spots. I got that wrap right there, y'all. I got the bag of Lay's potato chip. I got the mucho mango. Look at that right there. Got that jerk wrap.
Yeah, from writing God to Spotify, Jersey, we up, we up. Yes. Don't sleep, I'll sing you a lullaby. My loved ones I trust, don't touch. Chops, here to inconvenience your dance floor. Party all over the world, that's what it stands for. We are the BR, here the DR. King of the throne, I should have been called Caesar.
Hey family, it's your man Matt DV. We're downtown Newark, New Jersey at a location called Heavy ONDA Salads. And Joshua Perez has suggested this spot. Let's go in here and see what this spot is all about. We downtown, y'all. See them buildings back there? We downtown Newark, New Jersey, New Jersey. Let's go and check this out, man. Them corner spots that's actually on kind of like two streets at the same time. Heavy ONDA Salads. Let's walk in this joint and check it out. Let's go see what's up, man. Let's go see what's up. Heavy ONDA Salads.
Ebony.
How you doing, sis? I'm gonna get the jerk chicken.
You want a menu?
Huh?
You want a menu?
There it is, y'all. That's the menu.
You
Check them out.
How you doing?
Jerk chicken salad.
I ain't never been camera, so.
My man in the back turned around like, yeah, man, go ahead. I'm gonna get the jerk chicken wrap.
You're a chicken wrap?
Yeah.
You on YouTube?
I am a YouTuber, yeah. I got that wrap right there, y'all. I got the bag of Lay's potato chip. I got the mucho mango. They make this drink themselves. They have several options in there. I chose the mucho mango. It all came to $18. The chips was thrown in. The wrap was like $12.99, and then whatever the balance was the drink. So check this out, man. Hold on, let's open this up. Check it out. Hold up. Look at this, man. Look at this. Look at this right here. Look at this. Look at that right there. Got that jerk wrap. I'm going for it already. I just dropped a piece on the back of the car, man. I gotta eat this. Okay, y'all, phones are falling. Check it out, let's go into it again, man. This is really spicy. I got the jerk chicken wrap. Really spicy, y'all. We going for it. Once again, it tastes delicious already. I'm telling y'all, I just gotta let y'all see me eating it. I started to say, y'all know I forgot my napkins, but I got them. This is, I can taste it, man. It's spicy, hot and spicy. It's not real hot. You know, I do like hot and spicy. I like hot sauce. I like pepper. Look at this, man. The ingredients are so fresh. And whatever the sauces they're using is delicious. It almost tastes like Caesar sauce, but peppered and spiced up. Look at that chicken in there. Can you see that big piece of chicken? Let's take that off. Look at this. This is delicious, y'all. I didn't know this spot was down here. It's called Heavy ONDA Salads. ONDA is one word, O-N-D-A. Heavy ONDA Salads. It is delicious. Oh, wow. Them spices are in my mouth kicking. I had to get the spicy one. I went by a suggestion of one of the customers that were already in there. They said they had everything so far except one item. I forget what that was, but I'm glad that he suggested this. I'm glad that Joshua told us to come down here. Joshua Perez, big up to Joshua. I'm dropping food on the car, y'all. I gotta get this up. Oh, it's like some crunchy, crispy stuff in here too. Oh, I think those are onions. Mm. Mm. Mm.
You gotta try it with this, man. You gotta try it with this heavy sauce.
What is this? Heavy sauce.
House-made dressing.
They just brought out the house-made dressing called heavy sauce. We're gonna try. What's that crunchy stuff in here? Onions?
Crunchy fried onions.
Crunchy fried onions. That's what I'm tasting. We're gonna try it.
Go ahead, give it a try, man.
Look, my mouth is full of this goodness right now, but we're gonna try this sauce he just brought out. Look, that sauce has a lot of, look, herbs and spices and peppers look like in there. We're gonna try it. Before I try that though, I wanna try their juice. This is delicious. I can't drink all this, y'all. This is gonna run my sugar up. I'm still eating into the first half of this wrap, y'all. But I wanna add this sauce. I'm gonna try to dip the wrap into the sauce. You know what? Let's just dip a piece of meat in first. Hold up. Hold up, hold up. Hold up. I wanna give the taste good report, and it does taste good, but I wanna dip everything in there. Hold up. This is the best, freshest wrap I've ever had, ever. And the heavy sauce, y'all, make sure y'all don't forget to get that heavy sauce. It's delicious. This your man, Matt DV, man, that's it. Check them out, Heavy ONDA Salad, right here in the corner of, what's this, Raymond Boulevard? This ain't Raymond Boulevard, this Market Street and Union Street. Hold on, hold on. I know where I'm at. There's Market Street and Union Street. Penn Station is right down here on the corner. We're on the ironbound side. We got mad fire engines and stuff. Woo! Yo, that joke was going fast. I think that fire truck was going too fast. Word is born, yo. They thought this was a game. This is delicious. I gotta dip some more of that. Oh, those spices. I'm gonna just eat the sauce. That's so good. This your man, Matt DV. This your man, Matt DV. This your man, Matt DV. Signing off from Newark, New Jersey. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people. I love you, cats. Thanks for hanging in there with me. Thanks to all our subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, shame on you. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell to stay notified. It's your man, Matt DV. We're out. Peace. Got them crispy onions. Crispy fried onions. I'm taking the other half of this sandwich home, yo. I'm trying to get it wrapped back up. There's a lot of fire engines out here today. Something's going on. Something's on fire, huh? I don't smell anything. Let's put that in there, that in there. I'm gonna drink a little bit more of this juice. Oh. This is the mucho mango. I can put water in here, man. That'll thin it out for me. Yo, that was loud. I'm making a mess.